Welcome to our channel! Good day everyone! Literal, kagigising ko lang. It's a beautiful Monday today. Back to school ang aking anak. And back to work ang aking asawa. Time check. 7:04. At dahil back to school, kailangan natin gumawa ng breakfast. Hina ng boses ko kasi tulog pa lahat sila. Gagawa tayo ng breakfast. Dapat medyo agahan kasi yung last time na pumasok ang aking anak, maaga naman ako nakapag-get ready. Kaya lang, yung daddy nila yung naghatid. So medyo na late tayo, pati yung pagsundo. So this time kailangan mas maaga. Balikan ko kayo mamaya pag nakapagluto na ako. I'm back! Nakalipas na ang kalahati ng araw. It's already... Wait, time check. 3:49. Kanina pa yata ako good morning sa inyo around 7 o'clock. 7:15. Hindi ko na maalala. Wala lang, tamad na tamad. Pero nakapasok na si Brent, nakauwi na siya, nakapagluto na ako ng kilawing labanos. Pero hindi na ako nag-video para mapabilis, para sana makapagpahinga. Pero hindi rin naman ako nakapag-nap kasi ayaw din ni Bran. Ewan ko ba, pag yung schedule ng daddy niya is evening shift, tapos kalahati ng araw nandito yung daddy niya, ayaw niyang mag-nap. Kahit na magna-nap din yung daddy niya, ayaw niya talaga. Nilalaro niya, ginigising niya, kahit lumipat na ako sa kabilang room. So, ending, walang nagawa. Hindi nakapag-rest. So, itutuloy-tuloy na lang natin. Magliligpit lang ako ng konti dito sa sink, tapos yung table namin, kasi nakaalis na yung aking asawa. Gagawa kami ni Amera ng puto. So, samahan nyo kami mamayang gumawa ng puto. Later ulit! Okay, hi guys! And for tonight, time check, 6:19 na ng gabi. Wala kaming masyadong ganap. So, gagawa si Ate Amera ng puto Filipino. Yeah, from Asian shop. Konti lang ang gagawin natin. So, maybe isang pack lang muna. Practice muna kung okay ba or hindi. And then, ito ang gagamitin natin ha. White King puto pero yung isang pack lang. And then, we're gonna be needing oil, sugar, and sa iba, lalagyan natin ng pistachio filling. Kasi meron tayong pistachio spread and Nutella for chocolate filling. Kung ano lang ang maisipan, di ba? So, first we need to do is
add this.
No, I think just add mo yan. Then I'm gonna get 1 cup of water. Oh, random, lang to ha, random gawa-gawa. Okay. While we're making the mixture, sinaksak ko na yung, naka-plug in na yung steamer. Electric steamer lang ang gamit namin because we don't have the usual steamer.
Where's the mixing?
Ano mixing? Mixer.
Mixer. I'm so sorry. English is not my first language.
Okay. Water.
Water.
And 1 cup of sugar. I think yung pang dry ingredients tayo. Wait lang, stop mixing.
Sorry.
Mami, I think we need 2 cups. Hindi
Sorry. So sorry.
And then, half cup of sugar. And then, ano pa ba? 5 tablespoon of cooking oil. Wait lang.
Sorry.
Pwede na. Yeah. I-mix lang natin. And habang nagmi-mix si ate, ay ililigpit na ang mga ginamit. Yes, babe? What do you want? Where do you want to sit down? Ate's making something. Okay. Push natin doon ate. At meron tayong may guest of honor. Okay. Come here. Okay, ate. Sabi kay ate. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. Yan, merong mixena.
Help me.
Okay.
Help me.
Mixing.
Wow.
Ah, okay. Okay. Siya pala mag-mix. Okay. Let's try if everything is... Say hi. Okay. Okay, enough na. Let's go. So, ate can do it.
Are you doing?
Making suso.
Mom, I want to come with you. I think can I be with you, everybody?
Oh, no. Don't bring the chair, please. Bran.
No, I want
It's
to
okay, it's
see.
okay.
No, kasi si Bran really.
Enough na. Sige na. Okay, once it's done.
Everybody, I love you. Okay. Oh. Mom, why do you make
Nope. Okay. Get a kutsara. Get a kutsara for this one.
Sit down.
Dali.
Sit down.
Ay, labo-labo na tong pagputo making
Sit
natin.
down.
Okay.
Down.
Okay.
Sit down.
Laging kayo may
Oh, sit down.
Bran, move yung mga your chair where you're gonna go.
Ay, nako. Ganito kagulo ang kusina.
Diyan kayo nga. Oh, yan, oh.
Okay, first, all we need to do first is...
Yes, sir, Mommy Pig.
Wait.
Mom say, yes, sir.
Mommy pig daw.
Oh. Mix.
Wait.
Mix.
First, we have to strain it. Wala
ako.
natin na ano. Kasi itong mga to.
Bran, your name. Bran.
Okay, go. Hold it.
Everybody daddy, happy. Ordinary Richard. Everybody daddy, happy. Puppy snap. Puppy snap.
Ay, naku po. Dirty.
Okay.
Sa ilin. Saan yung spatula? Yung parang...
Water.
Oh,
I will do.
Hoy, ang
Come
likod.
here.
Okay,
Mommy,
okay.
I'm trying to.
Be ang likot mo.
Mommy, I'm trying to make that wheel it so I can stop my itchy egg.
Okay.
B
Okay, first we will put a little bit of something.
I N G O Flamingo. The name of it was a boy had a dog. Flamingo. That name of
Uy!
Flamingo. What is it? Do you like it? Bram, do you like it?
What color is this one? What color is this one?
Green.
Oh, good job. And this one? Okay.
Brown.
We will be needing spoon so we can drop this off.
Are we ready, everybody?
Be careful now.
Mommy, are you ready?
No.
Yeah.
No. Mommy, I'm the king.
We're gonna put chocolate filling, tas lalagyan ulit natin ng mix.
Another spoon.
Hindi.
No?
Open mo na lang. Kuhanan mo ako nitong. Kuhanan mo ako nito.
Whoa. That's dangerous.
Dangerous. That's very
Oh,
dangerous.
now we sit.
Yeah, sit.
Why did it work?
Yeah.
Why not in the chair?
Hindi na makikita.
Because I want to see your cooking.
Oh, thank you,
I
Brian.
love your cooking. I can also you.
Okay.
Mommy, can you make? I want to make when I'm a grown up.
Which one?
Me, when I'm a grown up.
Okay. Wag na lang yung pistachio. Ang hirap.
That's why I said get another.
It's wet.
What if some may pistachio in it?
Cupcake.
What if some may pistachio in it?
Whee!
Hindi, later pa kasi papatungan pa yan sa ibabaw.
Brad, why is it wet?
Because I'm trying to stop my itchiness.
Konti lang kasi aangat pa siya eh.
What's that smell to the chocolate?
Are you not eating that?
Was on a farm, he had a dog, and Bingo up his name, B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo up his name, was on a farm, he had a
Oh,
dog,
no.
and Bingo up his name,
Close, close.
Brian, Renee, your hands are so heavy.
Okay na yun.
When all the party had a dog, Bingo of his name, B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Whoa. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. On the barn is a ride, on the other side. Mom!
Ay!
Jingle bell, jingle all the way. On the barn is a ride, on the other side. Hey, Daddy, do this though.
What about my third?
Hindi, ayoko nun.
Jingle bell, jingle all the way. On the barn is a ride, on the other side. Hey, jingle bell, jingle all the way. On the barn is a ride, on the other side. Hey, Daddy.
Pistachio.
Oh, jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way. On the farm is the ride, water up the side. Hey, jingle bell,
Brent.
jingle on the way. On the farm is the ride, the the way. Oh.
Ay, Mary.
Jingle bell, jingle. On the farm is the ride.
Tingnan natin kung ano. Kasi may ano.
B-I-N-G-O, B-I-N-G-O.
Hey! Enough na.
Whee!
Guys, nagkaroon ng disruption. And labo-labo na kanina. Yan. 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 What we did is, mabuti na lang may dala akong mga photo molder, small. Dala pa to ni Mama, galing Pinas, nakarating na ng UAE, nakarating na sa US. Nilagyan ko ng konting mixture, tapos nilagyan namin ng filling na Nutella and chocolate spread and pistachio spread. Tapos nilagyan ko ulit ng another kalahati. Tapos niready ko na, while we're doing that mixture, pinrepare ko na yung steamer, so diretso lagay na. And we're waiting for 15 or 20 to 15 20 minutes, mga ganyan. So, ngayon ay medyo umaangat na sila. Wala, ang gulo talaga eh. Pag may mga ganitong tingnan mo, ang gulo. Ay! Ay, nako! Pag may anak kang ganito, Diyos ko po. Aray ko. See, wala kang matatapos. Mga high blood ka, pero tingnan mo naman. Pogi!
Pogi, makulit lang.
Makulit lang. Okay? And then, go down. Hi guys! I'm back! Wala tayong matanyong video ngayon. Kasi yung mga anak ko super ka-hyper. Kung hindi makikisali, mag-iingay naman sila, mag-aawayan. So, meron na tayong finished product ng ating puto. And then, I think you will just tuck it. Or ano ba? Okay. Parang, ay! Perfect! See the puto here? Ayan. May chocolate feeling siya.
What did I get?
And let's try if it's soft and very puto-ish. Puto. Not bad.
Sayang. Wala na ako yung chocolate.
Not bad.
Kuha ko yung chocolate.
Not. Pwede ng pang coffee.
Sayang, walang cheese. No?
Wala kasi kami Eden cheese. Di kami nakadaan sa...
Asian market.
But at least, hindi siya failed. Look, ipakita mo ate.
Yan, ang dami.
Yup. But later na yan, iinitin ko yung kape. Tapos kakain ako ng... Niluto ko kanina, iinitin ko lang yung kilawing labanos. Ipapakita ko sa inyo. Wait lang. In-on ko yung coffee kasi masarap yan sa coffee or sa hot chocolate eh. Initin natin. Ay, wait.
Ano may
I'm
chocolate?
just gonna eat it sa... Naisip ko, initin sana sa microwave yung kilawing labanos, but sa skillet na lang. And then, iinitin ko yung rice ko sa microwave.
Ano sabo?
Ano, masarap.
Ano pa yan?
I'm here.
Ask your brother to try it. Wait lang. Brian Roger!
What?
You're the
I cleaned
brother.
up already.
Brent Roger!
I'm here.
Come here! Do you want to try the puto that mommy and ate made? No,
No.
it's this one. Ate, excuse me.
Sorry.
Come here, Brent. Brent, it's a bread with chocolate. Here, come here.
Chocolate for
Brad, let's go.
Come here.
Wag mo
Come
na.
get chocolate.
If he doesn't want, don't force him.
Come.
Come here na.
Come na, it's puto. Puto with chocolate. See? Open your mouth, babe. Come here. Show them that you're gonna eat. What is this? Come here. Puto. Puto.
Puto.
Come here. Nga. Show them. Brett Rogers, stand up still.
Puto.
Say, I'm gonna eat puto.
I gonna eat puto.
Okay, go. 1, 2, 3. Chocolate. Is it yum?
Yup.
Yummy ba one?
What? Do you like it? Yes, it's a bread with Nutella chocolate spread. Come here. Finish the puto. I have another one here. Come. And where's your water? Ah, good job. Di ba walang matinong video? Labo-labo na itong video na to.
Huh?
The other one is 5 more minutes. Okay, nakailan ka na ate?
4.
Ah! That's too much. Okay. Ay! Paano ba yan? Sabi ko pa naman ipapakita ko na sa inyo yung dinner namin. Kaya lang, kasi iniinit ko pa. Wait lang, I need to clean up everything. Ito, basahin na yan. Naka-open.
Okay ba to? Hindi.
Okay. Konti lang yung mixture na nalagay ko.
Hindi, parang okay lang to. Ano to? Yan, sige.
Steam.
Yung steam na. Natataste ko pa yung siomai.
Masarap yung...
Harap, natataste ko pa.
Ang ano?
Yung siomai.
Bakit nasa ng siomai? No.
Di ba?
Hindi naman dito nilagay ang siomai eh.
Bakit yung naluluto? Ha?
Mommy,
What?
the water's still
Ilabas na.
still.
Where?
At the bathroom.
Yeah, I turned that on intentionally because Daddy said we have to turn it on a little bit
Why?
so that the pipe will not get frozen and it will not burst out. Just collect all the molders because we need to wash that. Masarap yung ano, may pistachio.
Ah.
Is it?
Hmm.
Hindi ka na yan magdi-dinner. Ang bigat niyan sa tummy.
May magdi-dinner ako. Gutom pa ako.
O, di ba? Paano hindi ka magiging busy? Ang mga anak mo laging gutom. Kakakain lang pero gutom pa din, di ba, no, ate? So, wala talagang matinong vlog dahil it's either may kalma, may away, may chaos, may kung ano-anong nangyayari. So, ganito talaga ang nangyayari sa ordinary household, okay?
Gutom na naman ako.
Okay ka. Kahit ako nakakain, hindi ako nabubusog. Diyan ka na maalat of water. So, aming kilawing labanos with pork. Labanos. Tapos may nilagay ako, hindi siya liver spread. Nakakita ko dito na somewhat kahawig ng liver spread. Pero hindi siya nasa can. Tinry ko lang. Pero pwede na rin nawala. Mas okay yata nawala na lang. Pero okay lang din. Masarap siya. Ayan siya. Medyo parang nag-dark yung color niya. Kasi gusto ko toasted yung meat. So, nung nilagyan ko siya ng konting sabaw, nag-dark yung color. Pero okay lang siya. Hindi siya sobrang alat. Sabi ng asawa ko, para sa aking taste palette, ay kailangan pa ng salt or ng konting soy sauce. Pero hindi ko na siya dinagdagan kasi okay naman na sa panlasa nila. And that's it. That's our dinner. Kain tayo. And see you na lang tomorrow because I think I will end the vlog here. Because wala tayong masyadong ganap and napakagulo ng vlog na to dahil nga ang iingay ng aking mga anak. See you tomorrow. Stay safe. Kung ma-upload ko to ng maaga before the winter storm. God bless everyone. Bye! Thank you for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe.